80 divided by 4 times parenthesis 2 minus 4. This is also a classic math trap. We will solve with the help of PEMDAS here. We will write here PEMDAS. And also, according to PEMDAS, first we have to operate this parenthesis part, which is 2 minus 4 will give result minus 2 here. So we will simply write here 80 divided by 4 times, that is minus 2. This is value, not operations. Okay. So don't try to confuse here. Now, many are solving in a very wrong way, like they are operating this multiplication first, but this is the not right way. They will get 4 times 2, that is minus 8, and 80 divided by minus 8, they will get minus 10 answer. But as we know that multiplication and division have the same priority, and we have to operate left to right here. So we will do left to right operations here, like left to right, and we have to solve this division part first, which is 80 divided by 4, or we can say 20 will be the answer here. So we will write 20 times minus 2. Now 20 times minus 2 will result what? Minus 40. So here right answer is minus 40. And try to solve this math question and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.